Hello, this is Hot Stuff, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to download resource packs. One of my favorite websites to do this is Vanilla Tweaks. VanillaTweaks.com. Go to VanillaTweaks.com. Go down here, resource packs. Go down here, choose any one of these. So, for instance, I'm gonna go for a colorful slime. I'll go with purple. You click download. So, when you're on the main screen, go to Options, Resource Packs, then go here, Open Pack Folder. It will open your files. Download. You go to Downloads. If yours might look different, but you see the Vanilla Tweaks. You drag it over into this area right here. For some people, it might look like there's nothing there. But for me, it's like full of stuff because I have so many resource packs. You drop. It says, do you want to add the following packs to Minecraft? You say yes. Then you look for the thing. Let me just try to find mine. Okay. You do this. Done. And now it's on your Minecraft. You can press single player to see what it looks like, or multiplayer to see what it looks like, if you have any servers on multiplayer. So yep, that's the tutorial on how to get a texture pack or resource pack in Minecraft, Java Edition especially, just Java Edition.